For installation on a side pin with lock arm, you will first need to remove the pre-installed connector and install the P2 connector. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Remove the pre-installed connector by rotating the connector 180 degrees. Push down on the connector until it releases from the rivet pin, then slide it out. Align the large hole on the side of the new P2 connector with the hole on the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade by pressing down until you hear a click sound. Flip the blade upside down. Align the connector hole to the pin of the arm, making a 90-degree angle. Insert the connector onto the side pin and rotate the blade 90 degrees until the locking tab secures the blade into place. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Rotate the wiper 90 degrees. Pull the connector and blade completely away from the arm.